children. Today we are going to see Democratic Politics Chapter 4, Gender, Religion and Caste. Last session we have seen gender, social division and religion, social division. Today we are going to see communalism. When problem begins, when religion is seen on the basis of nation. So if one religion community is dominating the other religion community, and also state used to establish their dominance of one religion group over the rest. So the manner of using religion in politics is communal politics. The communal politics is based on the principle of social community. If the people are not following the same community, they are the followers of the different religions, they are not comes under the social community. The followers of the different religions have some commonalities. These are superficial and immaterial. So at the same time, the people of the same religions, they are practicing different way and different way in the everyday village. So and also in religion, it is bound to suppress the many voice of communalities in the same religion. So communalism takes various forms in politics. So let us see one by one. The most common expression of communalism is in everyday belief. These routinely in everyday belief of prejudices, religious stereotypes, and the superiority of one religion over the another religion. The next one is a political dominance. If one group believes that they are the political majoritarian, so they use it to form a political majoritarian. So if another group is believe that they are the minority community, they use it to form to desire a separate political unit. The third one is a political mobilization. The next one is a political mobilization this is also another form of communalism. They use this card, symbol and religious leader and emotional appeal and plain form in order to attract the followers within the group in the political arena. The fourth one is in communalism they use the ugly form of communal violence, riots and massacre. So India and Pakistan, they were using an ugly form of violence at the time of partition. So these are the various forms take parts in political, various form of communalism that takes part in political. Next we are going to see secular state. The communalism was and continued to be a major challenge of democracy in our country. So that one day our constitutional maker be aware of the democracy. So that's why they have a model of secular state. So the secular state is supporting all the religions and there is no official state in our country. There is no official religion in Indian state, unlike Buddhism in Sri Lanka, Islam in Pakistan and Christianity in England. So India is not supporting any religion. The next one, the constitutions provide freedom to practice, profess and propagate any religion or do not to follow any religion. Third one, the Constitution prohibits discrimination on ground of any religion. Fourth one, Constitution also allows state to interfere in the religion matter and to ensure that the equality within the religion community. So the secular state is protecting and also supporting there should not be no religion, no state religion should. Okay. So the secular state is a must for our country. At the same time, communalism, we have unnecessary compact communalism. Constitution is ours is necessary, but at the same time, we don't have a sufficient compact communalism. The communalism also prejudices and propaganda is countered in everyday life. And also the political mobilization is also countered in the political arena. Next we are going to see caste and politics. So the caste and politics are two instances of social division in the political arena. So sometimes the caste and politics also bring a caste in the social division, brings caste inequality that form a so division of labor and also occupational hereditary. Sometimes the people belong to the same caste, they are also forming social community and practicing this social community and marriage within their caste and do not eat with other community group. So caste inequalities arises so like that. The next one is so the inequalities is also the caste inequalities is also another problem. So the upper caste people also discriminating the outcast group. So that only our political leaders and the social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Periyar Nayakar were also advocated to establish our society in which caste inequalities are absent. So due to some social economic changes and India become a modern in caste system. So some social economic changes like urbanization. So people from the rural area shifted to the urban area. The next one is occupational mobilization. So because of their job occupation, people are shifting from one places to another places. And next one is caste hierarchy. So it is a ladder in which caste is formed from upper caste to lower caste. So because of the social economic changes, the caste system are breaking down in India. So our constitution is made like that and also prohibited the caste discrimination such like banning of the untouchability. So even though we have a secular state and also we prohibited entirely untouchability, the caste is also appeared in from contemporary India. So sometimes the formalities of upper caste and lower caste also arise even in the rural area and also urban area. So the caste also sometimes linked to the economic state. The next, caste belonging to same religion community, they have a natural social community and they have a same interest and beliefs. So they do not share their beliefs and interest to any religion community. So caste also take various form in politics. Let us see one by one. When parties choose candidates, they keep in mind the electoral composition and also the nominate candidate from different castes in order to muster their support to win in the election. Sometimes the political leaders have a caste sentiment. So they are doing favor to some caste. Under universal adult franchise, it compelled the political leaders to follow and mobilize them to gear up to win in the election. So the focus on the caste sometimes give impression on the election all about the caste system. So no parliamentary constituency in our country has clear majority of a single caste. So the parties and candidates know that they have a confidence to win with more than one caste vote. The next one, no parties win the votes of the voters of a single community. So they have been with the proportion of the other communities and caste also. Sometimes the ruling party and the MLAs are also losing their power in election. So this will not appear in all the caste. So sometimes the voters have different candidates from their caste. So sometimes no voters have no candidates from their caste. So it is based upon their opinion. So the people have a caste sentiment. So that is also reflected in politics. So at the same time, the political leaders are also having caste sentiment that is also helped to win in the politics also. Next, politics in caste. The politics also play important role in caste. So it brings some identity to caste also. So each caste groups want to bigger insights by incorporating with the sub-caste or also neighboring caste. The next one is some caste group also entering into coalition and made negotiation. And new kinds of caste group also entered in politics, in political arena like forward and backward caste. So caste also play important role in politics. Sometimes disadvantaged communities or also get benefited in politics, and also they have a power to access decision making, like Dalit groups and backward groups. So politics also helped them to involve in the decision making also. So political organizations, some non-political organizations also demanding and agitation to put an end to the discrimination of caste system in our country. So this also play very important role in politics. So up to this chapter is over. In this we have seen caste and politics, caste inequalities, communalism, secular caste. These are all very important concepts in this chapter. And today's homework, complete book back exercise of this chapter. Thank you.